My name is Keona and I'm 14 years old.
My name is Emily Schneider. I am from Oberstaufen and I am also 14 years old.
I'm Weda and I'm 13 years old.
We are standing up for our future and telling the politicians to do something which hasn't happened in years, and it's getting important to do something now because we don't have much time left.
What do you think about the current situation? At the moment, our demands are smiled or ignored at.
The urgency of the situation, I don't think, has completely registered on everyone. The critical problems are 20 or 30 years from now, and politicians need to worry about getting elected next year or the year after. It's a natural political process, but it starts with your voice not being heard, just like the civil rights movement not actually being heard or listened to.
I think it's important to remember that we will be the ones to vote in about 5 years or something, and we will not forget that they have ignored us now and have ignored us in the past.
I think you are absolutely right. You will be voting. It will make a difference. The important part from my perspective is to get the voice of everyone as loud as possible, as fast as possible, because we have a little bit of time, but we don't have a lot of time. Already, the changes that are coming are going to be big. So we want those changes to be as small as possible.